Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Play Store app. This is extremely important since all apps in your phone depend on the Play Store. So to make sure that your Play Store is up to date, make sure you tap your user icon on the top right hand of the screen and then tap Settings and then tap About. Now here we see the Play Store version and there's this button here, Update Play Store. So I'm gonna tap it, and if your Play Store is not up to date, you will be given a link here that you can use to update your Play Store app, which is not my case. So that's how you update your Play Store. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.